The Interaction Wizard is the fastest way to create interactions in Proto.io. It's available on the left of a selected item or group. To use the wizard, just grab the icon and drag a connector. Dropping the connector on a screen in the Screens panel will instantly add a go-to-screen interaction towards that target screen. The new interaction is immediately visible in the inspector on the right. As a default, the tap trigger is used for all wizard interactions. You can edit the interaction to change any of its settings. For the go-to-screen transition, specifically, you can change the default settings used through the project settings. Creating change state interactions works in a similar way. Just drag a connector to a state, and a change state interaction will be created towards that target state. To create an interaction targeting an item or group, drag your connector to the item either on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Typically, the wizard will allow you to create hide, show, or toggle item interactions. In some special cases, the wizard is more powerful. For example, if you drag a connector to a container layer, you can create an interaction to change the container state. Similarly, for video, audio, or Lottie animation components, you can use the wizard to easily add play, pause, or stop interactions.